two hosting giants, SiteGround and DreamHost, two different power plays. Which one truly delivers? On the left, SiteGround, global speed and top-rated support. On the right, DreamHost, affordable, reliable hosting for all. Let's skip the buzzwords and see how each stacks up feature by feature. Every category, price, performance, security, and more earns points. At the end, you'll know exactly who wins in 2025. The result might just surprise you. Okay, quick overview here. A mind map of all the categories we're gonna compare. We've got price because, obviously, performance and speed, global coverage, security game, developer features, customer support vibes, ease of use, and all those little freebies and migration perks. Got it? Cool, let's jump in. First up, and let's be honest, maybe the biggest deal, price. So SiteGround tries to sell you on business plans and advanced features. It's competitive if you're all about WordPress and need business-level goodies, but honestly, you're paying more overall. Especially if you want fancy stuff like cloud hosting, yup, your wallet's gonna notice. Now DreamHost, oh, it's the budget pick, no question. The entry price, just $2.59 a month. You get every classic type, shared, VPS, WordPress, cloud, even dedicated if you need it. But fair warning, the premium tiers can suddenly get way pricier. Still, DreamHost is the clear winner if you want to keep that spending low. Ready to talk speed and performance? SiteGround steps up with average response times sitting around 217 milliseconds. That's fast. It's packing built-in caching, rides on Google Cloud, and has a global server network. Meaning, no matter where your visitors live, they're gonna get quick load times. Small catch though, their uptime guarantee is 99.9%, just barely below the dream of perfection. DreamHost, though, absolutely brags about uptime, literally a 100% guarantee. Speeds are impressive too, usually between 231 and 334 ms. But here's the wait what moment, all their servers are in the US, so global traffic, kinda left behind. So yeah, SiteGround takes this one for global speed and reach. Next, global coverage. For anyone building something international, this category is huge. SiteGround makes a big deal of its data centers in the US, UK, Europe, Asia, Australia, you name it. Plus, their own CDN means every site can go global fast. DreamHost is rock solid. For US sites, no international servers though, so global audiences, not their strong suit. If you want to put your site on the world stage, SiteGround wins here hands down. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know SiteGround powers millions of websites in over 190 countries? That's a ton of reach. Meanwhile, DreamHost hosts over 1.5 million sites and flexes a 100% uptime promise. Yeah, their stats are wild. Let's jump into security. Yeah, you want your site to be safe from bots, malware, and whatever else the internet decides to throw at you, right? SiteGround's got your back, a free security plugin, round-the-clock monitoring, anti-bot, malware protection, all the good stuff. DreamHost, you get SSL baked in, automated WordPress updates keep things smooth, but for heavier-duty protection you've gotta step up to more premium plans. So honestly, if you want heavy security from the jump, SiteGround's the one. Alright, on to developer features. This is where things get geeky. SiteGround delivers staging, collaboration tools, nice backup, restore, and migration built right in. Makes building or managing sites pretty smooth, and honestly, even beginners can appreciate having those options. DreamHost gives you a custom control panel, which is cool, and unlimited storage and bandwidth, so no worries about getting maxed out. The hiccup, fewer advanced dev features and not quite as much collaboration flexibility. So if you're building complex stuff, SiteGround's gonna make your life easier. Customer support, this one can be a lifesaver or a total nightmare. SiteGround, first up, is praised everywhere for lots of support channels and super responsive help 24/7. You get actual help, not just a chatbot sending you links. DreamHost support is solid too, not gonna lie, but if you want priority help or advanced assistance, that comes at a higher tier. So if you need answers at 2 a.m., SiteGround's your friend. Ease of use, here's the thing, both hosts get this right. SiteGround's custom dashboard makes hosting way less confusing. You get one-click WordPress installs, backups are easy, even if you kinda don't know what you're doing yet. DreamHost keeps it simple too, rocking a clean custom panel and streamlined interface. No nonsense, no clutter, honestly, it's a tie, they're both crazy easy to use. All those little bonuses, freebies, and migration perks can be what pushes you over the edge. SiteGround throws in free migration, a website builder for beginners, while DreamHost adds free migration too and a free domain for your first year. Nothing major holding either back, so this is another tie. Everyone loves free stuff, right? Let's visualize all those categories side by side. Here, how SiteGround and DreamHost stack up overall across pricing, speed, global reach, security, developer goodies, support, ease, and freebies. You can see SiteGround really crushes it in any global or business-heavy category, while DreamHost sweeps the budget picks. So wrapping it up, SiteGround is the go-to if you're launching something international, business-focused, or need every bell and whistle for speed, security, and features. DreamHost. Perfect for folks who want reliable, affordable hosting, especially if you're US-based or just running your own project without needing the world map. Honestly, you can't really go wrong, but for bigger ambitions, SiteGround barely edges out the win. Alright, if you enjoyed this hosting showdown, bookmark this for the next time you're torn between options. And hey, drop a comment if you've got your own wild hosting stories.